What I'd like to talk to you right now is tell you a little bit more about our line of degreasers. First of all, a lot of people are looking for just a totally non-flammable degreaser. The only way to get a non-flammable degreaser that doesn't cost $240 a case of 12 is going to be going with a trichloroethylene. That is what total mold cleaner and degreaser is. That's 100% trichloroethylene. It's non-flammable. Trichloroethylene breaks down a lot of different things, but by itself it still will degrease, but it isn't as strong as going with my strongest product is Excel degreaser, which is trichloroethylene with a few other additives to it. This will beat just about everything out there, hands down. My favorite degreaser. Then you have the universal degreaser and universal 2 degreaser, the exact same formula in the two of them. One is a butane propane propellant and then a CO2 propellant. All of my degreasers are CO2 except for the 103 universal degreaser. This has a 3-way valve, light, medium, and heavy. So you're able to spray light, heavy. So if you're going to have a real close job that you're going to have your magnifying glasses up or down and you're getting real close to it, you want to be able to have a light spray so it doesn't splash back into your face. This is great. Butane propane is like everybody else's aerosols out there in the market, whether it be my competitors or any kind of a paint can. They're all butane propane. CO2 propellant, that is going to allow you to spray upside down, getting into the different positions. So that's one of the best things about it. Then the last one of my degreasers is the Does It All. Does It All has the least amount of smell. It still does a great job degreasing, and I'd put it up against any of my competitors' degreasers too. You're going to love it. It works overall like everybody, all my others. It's just not quite as strong of chemicals to break things down. One last thing, those are my true degreasers. I have a lot of clients that are using the online mold cleaner, and it's a resin remover. But a lot of people are trying to eliminate having so many different cans in their shop. So this combines a resin remover along with a degreaser. It's going to work like most other degreasers that don't have that dispersant agent that takes surface friction away. But so this doesn't have a dispersant agent, but it's going to break down resins and gas buildups that you have, and it's also going to degrease. So if you need an all-in-one can, this is it, and the next closest to that. This Excel degreaser will also do the same thing with this trichloroethylene. It's a degreaser and a resin remover too. These two products would be your go-to products. If you wanted to eliminate cans in the shop and you wanted to go with one or the other, either pick this one or this one, and then they're going to take care of degreasing and resin removers. But I think that you're always better off having one for each one of the situations.